the designer here wants to have a row of hardwood step sleepers embedded in some gravel base leading from a path to a rather secluded little nook. But if you look at the individual sleepers, can you see the pieces of timber have been drawn with a whole series of rectangles or lines, and then they've all been rotated. There's a much easier way to draw that, and that's with the array command. Not only that, they've had to dive in here and trim these circles that delineate the raised seating area. And I'd like to demonstrate that you can use the array command to do that. So if you just bear with me a moment, I'll eliminate all of these sleepers and a few plants as I go on doing it. Now our designer wants the pieces of timber centered in the path, and I've measured and then drawn a line across horizontally. That angle is about 60 degrees. So let me just show you that by moving that into position somewhere like so, we can then use the array command. So it's modify an array. Where is it? There we are. We first select the object, and that's the block that I've made of a rectangle representing the embedded timber, and we want to pick a center point. So I'll pick the center point of this arc. I'll need to roll out so that you can see it. Center point's bottom right, and I'll pick it. I'm going to rotate minus 60 degrees. I'm going to go in the clockwise direction, and I'll have a guess with 12 items. So I'll say OK, and can you see in they go. I have a few extras. They can easily be removed like so, and finally we can get rid of that central arc, and we could reinstate a solid circle and change its positioning if we want.